When was the last time you listened to music? Did you get paid? No? Why not? There are websites out there who are willing to pay you and they are available worldwide. And yeah, just by listening to music. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, hey, why are you not getting paid just to listen to music? And this is actually true. Yeah, you can get paid just to listen to music. It's worldwide opportunity, and there are several payment methods, including Bitcoin and PayPal. Let me show you everything step by steps and all the websites that are ready to pay you so you don't miss anything and you have a lot of opportunity to make money online. At the end, guys, I'm going to be revealing a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can earn even more money online. So are you ready? Are you ready to keep listening to really good music that you enjoy and start learning? Well, let me show you everything. Okay, first of all, you're gonna need a PayPal account, and you're gonna be wondering, like, okay, why do we need a PayPal account? How can I open it? Well, you can go to paypal.com, and this is an easy way in which you can get paid. Okay, this is easy, this is free. Now you just need to click here where it says sign up. You're gonna put your first name, your last name, a valid email address, or you're gonna be good to go. You're gonna be ready to receive payments. Now, let me show you another websites that you need. And yes, it's websites with an S. This one is willing to pay you as long as you start listening to radio music. By the way, I was listening to this radio station before and they do have really good music. Okay, what do you need to do? Well, in order to get started, you need to sign up. Okay, you need to create 100% free account just by going to radioearn.com. Okay, when you sign up, okay, you're gonna land here on this page that you need to provide a username, your first name, your last name, a valid email address, a password, and do the captcha. You are gonna be good to go. Then, well, you need to sign in. They're going to tell you that your account is already created. You are going to be earning money just by listening to radio. Okay, so you're going to click and open your radio links. Okay, you are going to be earning money for every 15 minutes. Okay, they're going to pay you with points and you can actually withdraw this money with bank transfer, wire transfer, and with Amazon gift card, cash, and also with Bitcoin. Some of the features that they do have is that you can customize your radio style. I'm going to show you more about it in a moment. This is really easy, really simple. Okay, you can see your statistic. You have a lot of compatibility, and they also have the options for you to get paid with PayPal. Okay, so these are several payment methods. It's 100% free. You don't need to pay anything. There's no premium packages or something like that. Okay, it's something that is working worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you guys are from, you are going to be using it. You can actually use it from your cell phone. You can use it from your laptop, your desktop, and every 30 days you're going to get paid through PayPal. Please don't use a BPS because you're going to get banned. Okay, so we don't want that. Now, let's say that you already click where it says sign up, you create your account, your username, your password, your last name, valid email address, and all this stuff. You're going to land here. Well, it's actually on the dashboard. Your dashboard is going to be looking a little bit different. So you're going to be clicking here where it says start earning, and then you're going to be landing here. So they have right now 3 radio stations with different type of music. For example, this one is chill out, this other has dance party, and this one has some German news and a mix of music. Okay, so when you click here where it says start radio 1 or 2 or 3, you are going to land on a page that looks like this. Okay, you're going to land on a page looks like this. You're going to click here where it says play, and you are going to start, the countdown. Remember, the countdown is actually 15 minutes. So you're going to be earning points, and remember that you can cash in. This is something that you can put if you want to mute or lower the volume so you can, keep using it while you're on the computer, and while you're offline, you can start doing other things. So this is the very first website. If you enjoyed this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please let me know where you guys are from and what's your favorite music, your favorite type of music. If you like dance, if you have salsa, if you like, just classical music, chill out. Let me know in the comment area. Okay. And let's keep watching this video. Then we have another website that is called Cash for Minutes. You can go to cashforminutes.com. And this is actually something kind of weird, to put it in a way, because they are willing to pay you just for making phone calls. Okay. Cash for Minute is actually a way in which you can earn cash. Okay. Just, by listening to music on the internet. They have been around since 2014. They right now have over 150,000 users. Okay. And these are weekly payouts. Remember on Radio Earn, I told you that you're going to get paid every 30 days. Well, here you're going to get paid on a weekly basis. So really easy, really simple. You can also refer a friend. You can also get paid with PayPal, with Bitcoin, Amazon vouchers, or you can choose to give the money to charity. Okay. This is something that is going to be working worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are. So you just need to sign up, follow this process, and you're going to be getting paid. Okay. This is extra cash. I have another website for you guys, which is called Hit Predictor. Okay. Hit Predictor is going to be something that you're going to be using to help predict the next hit. Okay. That's what it's called, Hit Predictor. Wow. It makes sense, right? Okay. So it's going to give you the opportunity to earn, and this money, you can withdraw it on gift cards. Okay. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to be creating an account. These guys are going to give you, okay, the music, okay, before it get released. Okay. Before it get released, you're going to have the opportunity to listen. Okay. Okay. So you can make the difference. You can start, giving feedbacks and all that stuff. So this is actually a really, really great, if you really enjoy, these kind of tasks of listening music. Another website that I have for you right now, it's called Music X-Ray. Okay, you can go to Music X-Ray. I know it looks, a little old-fashioned to put it in a way, but these guys are being around for a while, and you can also create a free account. You can connect it with SoundCloud, and you can also start listening to music. They have right now over 2,000 available opportunities across all stars or gender. Okay, you are gonna be opening a free account. You're gonna start, listening to music, giving feedback, and you're going to see that you have all these opportunities here that are available for you guys. So there is no excuses. There are several ways in which you can actually earn just by listening to music. You have the opportunity to listen to hits that haven't been released. You can have the opportunity, to listen to music, listen to radio. Okay. So there are several ways to make money online. I know the income that you're going to be doing here is not going to be something that is going to be replacing your full-time job. So if you guys are willing to, to fire your boss, to live your life in your own term, click the very first link in the description with my number one recommendations to make money online. So you're going to be making money while you travel, you're going to be making while you sleep, and you're going to be enjoying the life and living the life in your own term. So this is it for this video. Please keep watching the next video with another way in which you can actually make money online, and check the very first link in the description.